Okay, today we are going to learn about pair of linear equations in which the system of equation has unique solutions, infinitely many solutions, or no solutions. Before going to start any type of pair of linear equations, we can say whether the equation has a solution, no solution, or many solution by applying the suitable relations. Then what should be suitable relationship would be for checking these conditions. Today we will learn about it. Without solving the system of equations, you can say whether it has solutions, it has no solutions, or infinitely many solutions. Okay? Before it, we have done a problem of system of linear equations by graphical methods. By plotting the graphs of two given equations, we can say by looking the graph on the graph paper, if both lines intersect at a point, then it has unique solutions. If lines are coming parallel, then it has no solutions. If two lines overlap to each other, then it has infinitely many solutions. But here, now we are going to study algebraic methods by finding the coefficients and constant of both linear equations of two variables, and then establish a relationship and if the coefficients satisfy the relationship with certain condition, then you can say the system of equations has solutions, no solutions, or infinitely many solutions. Okay. Then what should be the criteria to check it? First, a pair of system of equations are given. So write down both equations and make it in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Means all terms of first equation should be in left hand sides and RS side should be only zeros. Again, second equation will be also in the form of a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If it is already arranged like this types, so no need to interchange it, but if the equations are given in different form of two variables, so first you bring it in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay. And then from first and second equations, write down the form of linear system of linear equation of two variables. Below it, the given equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and compare the coefficient of x, y and constant. Then write the values of a1, b1 and c1 for first equation. Similarly, from second equation also find the coefficient of x, y and constant a2, b2 and c2. Okay. Now we got the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Now after that, to take a ratio a1 by a2 and put the values of a1 by a2 and simplify it in the shortest form. Whatever the values of a1 and a2 are coming, in the shortest form write down. Again, find the values of b1 by b2, put the values of b1 by b2 of these equations and make it in the shortest form. We'll get the values of b1 by b2. Similarly, find the values of c1 by c2 and write the values. Okay. Then apply all these conditions. Now take a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. If both values of these ratios are not equal to same, then it has unique solution. Then you can say the equation has a unique solution. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then equation has a unique solutions. If it is confirmed, then stop it. If it is not coming like a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then take a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 and put all the values of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. If the ratios of these terms are coming same, then you can say the equations are infinitely many solutions. Means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. All these ratios, the values of all these three ratios are coming same, then you can easily say that equation has infinitely many solutions. Okay. If it comes, then stop it. If it does not come, then start again. By verifying the relationship, other relationship a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Put the values of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. After giving these values, if the a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are coming same and c1 by c2 is not equal to b1 by b2 or b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then you can say that equation has no solutions. So after applying these relationship for pair of linear equations, you can easily say that the system of equation solution has unique solutions, no solution or infinitely many solutions. Okay. So before going to do any problems of pair of linear equations, first apply these conditions to check whether the equation has solution, no solution, and infinitely many solutions. Okay. If it is confirmed that the ratio of a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by a2, it has a unique solution, then start doing by any algebraic methods. Okay. After that we will learn there are three methods to solve a system of equations algebraically. First, substitution methods, second, elimination method, and third, cross multiplications. In all these methods, applying on the same questions, the resultant will be same. But if it is said to solve it by substitution method, then you must do it by substitution methods. Okay. So we will study one by one of these algebraic methods to solve the linear pair of equations. Okay. So there are other type of questions which are generally asked in the examinations. A system of linear equations are given in which unknown values, suppose k, are involved. In first equation also, it may be second equation also, or maybe both equation also, provided the condition are given. Unique solution. Suppose find the values of k from this system of equations has unique solutions. Okay. Means for unique solution, you know, for linear pair of equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. For unique solution, we will start a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Now put the values of a1, a2 and b1, b2 from these equations in this relationship and solve it properly, algebraically. We will get the values of k. Okay. So such type of systems of equations are given in which is unknown values are there. You have to find the values of unknown when the system of equations has unique solutions. It is given with questions. In other way, it may be also given it has no solutions, and other way it is also given find the values of k if the system of equations has infinitely many solutions. Okay. So by applying the same way, you find separately values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 from the given system of linear equations and put these values in the conditions which are given. Means if it is given it has unique solution, to take the conditions of unique solution a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If the system equation has no solution, then take the relationship of no solution and put the values, we will find the unknown values. Again, if the system has no solutions, it is also given. So put the values from these equations and find the values of unknown value. Okay, so these are the ways to find the unknown values of system of linear equations with conditions it has unique solutions, no solution, or many solutions. Okay, so there are so many questions are found in your book also, NCERT, RS or other prescribed books also, and we will see that these type of questions are generally asked in the CBSE board examination. So do more questions on that types of problems from any prescribed books and find the required result by applying suitable methods and by solving properly. Definitely will get the right